Let's get down to the details. Entrepreneurship is very rewarding, but it is not without its challenges. We will dive deep into those challenges and how to overcome them. Please subscribe if you haven't already because we've got some amazing content that you don't want to miss. 1. Selecting services and or products. You have to have something to sell, meaning you have to have some type of problem that you're resolving. The key is to identify the demand. You need to find out what a particular select number of people have a problem with and solve that problem with either a product or a service or both. And then you have to conduct market research. It's the thing we all run from. I'm guilty of it as well. Do not run from your market research. This is what's going to help you discover the needs. Number 2, developing a sales strategy. How are you going to tell that audience you're going to solve their problem? This is what your sales strategy is. You need to assess that target audience and discover the strategy that will best reach them. Number 3, establishing your startup capital. Maybe you already have the amount that you need in order to get started. Maybe not. Sometimes you may have to take out a bank loan or do some type of fundraising, borrow from a relative, or use business credit or credit. Whatever you do, just do it responsibly. Make sure that the numbers work and make sure that you have everything that's needed to start, not what you want. Number 4, maintaining a budget. You need to start and maintain a budget for your business just as you would in your personal expenses. You need to assess those expenses for your business, see what's necessary, and then also it helps you to be better prepared for any changes that will happen. 5, sustaining revenue. What I mean by sustaining revenue is sending invoices and requesting payment as soon as possible from your clients and customers. This will allow your operation to run efficiently. 6, staffing the organization. When you're first starting your company, you may have to do a lot of things yourself, but after a while, you do want to start hiring others to take care of some of the things that need to be done on a regular basis. And you want to oversee the hiring processing, making sure that you develop questions that will assess whether or not the candidate is a good fit for your company, for the position, and then also you want that position to help them in their career goals. 7, managing employees. After you've hired the right people for the right positions, you want to make sure that you guide your employees on how to best carry out the organization's goals. You want to achieve this by developing clear, detailed instructions for their roles, but then also outlining the company's core values and goals very clearly. 8, expanding the business. Now that your business is thriving and growing, you want to scale your business. So, this includes you addressing the greater demand. Also, you may have to search for new partners, reassess everyone's role within the company. But then you also want to consider revising your existing processes to make sure that they meet the company's greater needs. 9, managing time. There are a lot of methods out there to help manage time, like time blocking. Regardless of the method you choose, the whole idea is to create goals for yourself and for your organization, and then assess which tasks are absolutely necessary and then which can be delegated. This is what's going to help you manage your time and stay on task. 10, collaborating with partners. Now, you can assess areas of improvement, whether a partnership may help or not, just depends. Depends on your skills, their skills, and personalities, and how those things would work together if combined. Always be extremely careful and cautious when choosing partners because you want to make sure that you can work well together and that you offset each other with different skill sets. So, there you go. Those are 10 challenges that every entrepreneur will face if you stay the course, but then also one or two ideas of how you can overcome them. If you haven't already, be sure to download our book, A Simple Guide to Customizing a Simple System Using Zoho, if you would like a guide to help you set up your system. Also, don't forget, join us on Successful Learning. That's learn.successfulsolutions.com. Hope to see you there.